Powerful PCs generate heat, and the only way to remove the heat from the system is to pass it to the surrounding air. Airflow is a very important feature of a PC case because if your computer case has bad airflow design, then your internal components will get heat up and it may result in lower performance and can also affect their lifespan. And there are many cases out there with different designs, but not all of them had good airflow. So, to help you find the right case for you, we have come with 5 best cases with great airflow. We have listed them based on price, quality, durability, features, and more. One last thing before we dive in. Make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon to get the latest videos from the channel. So, without further ado, let us get started from number 5.
Techfluencer delivers a complete buying guide for tech enthusiasts. Here, we try our best to make you pick the best PC components, laptops, and other tech gadgets with brief technical information, pros and cons, ratings, and recommendations. Our tech expert team tests, reviews, and benchmarks thousands of products to come up with the list of the best and latest products, along with recommendations for the viewers. To know what is the best choice for you, watch the full video and check the description for the purchase links.
Starting at number 5, we have the Cooler Master Masterbox MB511 RGB, which was designed to look good and has great airflow without sacrificing any functionality. It comes with 3 pre-installed RGB fans to ensure excellent cooling efficiency and delivers gorgeous lighting effects, which can be controlled via the included RGB controller. It supports a total of 6 120mm fans and up to 360mm radiator, and comes with plenty of drive bays for your storage needs. Dominating the front of the case, a polygonal mesh is intended to facilitate better airflow, along with dust filters on top and bottom of the case. On top of the case, you will find the I/O panel that includes 2 USB 3.2 ports and separate 3.5mm ports for audio input and output. With sleek design along with great airflow, the MB511 RGB will cool your component with style, and that is why it has placed at number 5 on our list. If you're in the market for a new PC case that has good airflow, acceptable aesthetics, and a subtle blend of RGB, then the Cooler Master Masterbox MB511 is just a value for money option for you. Next up at number 4, we have the Cougar MX330G Air, a mid-tower PC case that comes with amazing features and decent airflow, all at an affordable price. It features a tempered glass side panel and comes with 3 pre-installed 120mm LED fans, so you can show off your hardware and any additional lighting you want to install. This PC case supports 5 fans and a 240mm water cooling radiator to protect your components from the threat of overheating. Aside from an ATX motherboard, it supports a full-size graphics card and has plenty of storage options to install your drives. The cover for the PSU allows you to hide the cables behind them, improving the internal airflow and giving you an unobstructed view of your components. For those who have a limited budget, the Cougar MX330G Air is the one that will serve the purpose for both good airflow and aesthetics, and that is why we've put it at number 4 on this list. If you are looking for a case with good airflow but in a budget, then the Cougar MX330 Air is a great choice for you. Coming up at number 3, we have the CORSAIR Crystal 570X RGB that features 4-panel tempered glass for users who want a sleek and stylish case to show off their build. Supporting up to an ATX motherboard and having plenty of space for installing your drives, this case has enough room left over for liquid cooling systems. Without front drive cages blocking the airflow, the Crystal 570X can efficiently move cool air throughout the chassis to reduce heat. It supports up to 6 120mm fans and multiple radiators for additional cooling capabilities, and even comes with 3 120mm RGB LED fans as well as an LED controller. At the bottom of the chassis, there is a PSU bay cover that's used to hide the power supply, drive cage and cables for a clean and refined build. At the top of the case, you will find 2 USB ports, audio and microphone jack and 3 buttons for lighting control. With 4 tempered glass and direct airflow design, you can showcase as well as cool your PC with the case, and that is why we have listed it on the 3rd position. If you are looking for a case with full tempered glass along with great airflow, then look no further, as the CORSAIR Crystal 570X RGB has got you covered. Next up at number 2, we have the Fractal Design Meshify Mini C. Fractal Design has built its reputation by providing high-quality, average-priced cases, and the Meshify Mini C is not an exception either. Intended to look classy while keeping components cool, this case features an asymmetrical and angular mesh front panel for efficient airflow. With 360mm radiators or up to 120mm fan support along with the mesh front panel, it's an amazing choice for those who want to have air as their only means of cooling. It also supports liquid cooling systems and incorporates dust filters for better performance. Sporting a steel frame and tempered glass side panel, the Fractal Meshify C comes with 2 120mm fans already installed and a full-sized PSU cage that'll help with the cable management. This amazing PC case has 7 external slots alongside 5 internal drive bays for your storage needs. Overall, the features are tailored for air cooling, the design is also solid, and that is why it took the 2nd position on our list. This amazing case is for those who want a well-built PC case that has a decent airflow for cooling their components. Finally, at number 1, we have the LIAN O11 Air, a mid-tower case designed for highly efficient airflow and cooling for gamers. This mid-tower case features a fully optimized airflow design where the air is pulled in through the front and bottom and expelled using the top and rear exhaust fans to optimize cooling for critical components. This modern case also includes an easy-to-remove tempered glass side panel that provides a full view of your system's build. The front, side, and bottom panels each supports up to 3 120mm fans, while the rear mounts can hold up to 2 80mm fans, and you can also mount 360mm radiators to maximize your cooling setup. Made using thin and lightweight electro-galvanized steel, the O11 Air has plenty of drive bays for maximum storage capacity. The angle motherboard tray and rear cable management bar neatly hide away the cables from your build, leaving a clean look. This is one of the best airflow PC case that has fantastic quality and features along with better liquid cooling experiences, and that is exactly why we have given it the best position on our list. If you're looking for the ultimate airflow case for your build, then the LIAN O11 Air is undoubtedly the best option for you. So that was all about the 5 best cases with great airflow. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share with your friends and comment below to let us know your thoughts. And subscribe to our channel if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.